Hello everyone. Today in this video we talk about the shapes with four sides. The topic is concept of quadrilateral. So quad means four and lateral means side. So quadrilateral means the shape with four sides. And the general definition of quadrilateral: a quadrilateral is a plane figure that has four sides or edges, so having four corners or vertices. Some examples are here. The first example look like first side, second side, third side and fourth side. It's a bounded closed figure uh, by four sides. This one also the example of quadrilateral: first side, second side, third side and fourth side. So this is one also example of the quadrilateral because it is a closed figure by with four sides. This one also example. And some examples we can take around us and quadrilateral around us. For example, chessboard, carom board, notebook, kite, and all other things which is closed by the four sides. Table, and all other things. Through this GeoGebra, we can make some quadrilateral. So let us try. For example, we are taking the first side, and this one is the second side, and is the third, and this one is the fourth side. It's a closed figure with four sides. So this shape is called the quadrilateral. This shape can be changed like this one. This one also a quadrilateral of with four sides. This one also a quadrilateral with four sides. So we can easily identify what is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral family of closed shape with four sides. And the components of quadrilaterals are the sides, four vertices, four angles and two diagonals. Now the next point is the classification of the quadrilateral. There are two classifications of this quadrilateral. The first one is the general quadrilateral and the second one is the special type of quadrilateral. The general quadrilateral are those quadrilaterals in which there is nothing special. But a special type of quadrilateral are those quadrilateral in which something special. something special related to the sides, related to the angles, related to the diagonals. So there are 6 special type of quadrilateral. The first one is the parallelogram, second one is the square, third one is the rectangle, fourth one is the rhombus, fifth one is the trapezium, and sixth one is the kites. Through this GeoGebra app, we can understand very easily these different type of special quadrilaterals. Select the line segment point, and now we will draw the different special type of quadrilateral. The first one is the parallelogram. So parallelogram has going to look like this. Rectangle look like this. Square look like this. And rhombus look like this. Trapezium look like this. And the kite look like this. Why these are special? In the parallelogram, two pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. That is why it's a parallel. That is why it is special. In rectangle, two pair of opposite sides parallel and equal, and each angle 90 degree. In a square, all sides are equal, diagonals equal, each angle 90 degree. In rectangle also diagonals equal, because these points have equal distances. But in parallelogram, these 2 points are close, but these 2 points far. So that is why the diagonals will be different. Here also diagonals will be different. All sides are equal, angles not 90 degree. So a special thing is that all sides are equal and diagonal bisect perpendicularly. In a trapezium, this is trapezium. In trapezium, this one is these two lines in one pair of opposite sides, only parallel. Adjacent sides in a kite, adjacent sides are equal, and the second pair of adjacent sides are equal. So these special criteria are there for the 6 type of special quadrilateral. Now the next point is properties of a special type of quadrilateral. First, parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonal different and bisect each other. Second is rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Each of the angle is right angle. Diagonal are different. The third one is square. All sides are equal. Each of the angle is a right angle. Diagonal are equal and bisect perpendicularly. Fourth one, rhombus. All the properties of parallelogram. Angles are not right angle. Diagonal bisect perpendicular to each other. Now the next point is the relation among the special type of quadrilateral. This is the quadrilateral, general quadrilateral, different sides, different angle, different diagonal. But parallelogram is a special quadrilateral because of the two pair of opposite sides equal and parallel. In trapezoid, one pair of opposite sides parallel. In a kite, no pair of opposite sides parallel are equal. Parallelogram are connected to the rectangle, rhombus and square. The property of parallelogram completely lie in the property of the rectangle. That is why rectangle is a parallelogram also. Similarly, parallelogram, the property of this parallelogram completely lie in the property of the rhombus. So that is why rhombus is also a parallelogram. Similarly, square, the property of the parallelogram completely lie in the property of the square. That is why square also a parallelogram. But vice versa, not true. Parallelogram never be a rectangle, parallelogram never be a rhombus, parallelogram never be a square due to the not fulfilling the properties or criteria of the rectangle, rhombus and square in the parallelogram. So these are the relations between each other: quadrilateral, trapezium, kite, parallelogram, rectangle and prism. Thank you. Through GeoGebra, the relation of among the different type of different special quadrilaterals can be explained very easily. It's a parallelogram, it's a rectangle. So in the parallelogram, up two pair of opposites are equal and parallel. Same statement also fulfill in this rectangle. So first property of the parallelogram and the first property of the rectangle completely same. So property of parallelogram completely fulfilled by the property of the rectangle. So that is why rectangle is a parallelogram also. But parallelogram does not fulfill the condition, the criteria of property of the rectangle. So that is why parallelogram is not a rectangle, because each angle is right angle in a rectangle, but this property does not fulfill in this parallelogram. Similarly, parallelogram and square, the property of the parallelogram completely fulfilled by the property of the square. Two pair of opposites equal and parallel. Here also, so square also a parallelogram. Similarly, rhombus also a parallelogram, because the property of the parallelogram completely fulfilled by the property of the rhombus. But trapezium never be a parallelogram, because the property of the parallelogram never fulfilled by the trapezium. So trapezium is different from the parallelogram. Rectangle and rhombus, never be. So parallelogram, so rectangle and rhombus, all sides are equal. Two pair of opposites are equal. Two pair of opposites are also equal in